Hello friends. Friends, when we talk about life, life is full of problems. Problems are part and parcel of our life. And there are different kind of problems and different kind of treatment to handle with the problems. But it's a saying that the problems which are associated with the human body are the most critical problems. I mean, when some body part is not working properly, then these are regarded as the most difficult problems in life to tackle with. But there are certain people, they never bow down to any kind of a problems, even it is related to the body parts. Today I would like to talk about one such champion bowler who was having a weak bowling arm, the right arm, the arm which got defective during the polio attack in his childhood. Still, he became a very successful and outstanding bowler of Indian cricket. Yes, I'm talking about B.S. Chandrasekhar, the champion bowler of Indian cricket. And he was a part of the famed quartet of spin bowling along with Prasanna, Bedi and Venkat raghvan. And this quartet was a terror among the batsmen of 60s and 70s. If we see the lifespan of B.S. Chandrasekhar, he was born in 1945 in Mysore. At the age of 19, he started playing for India. But at the age of 6, the polio hit his right arm and his arm became weak forever. But in spite of this problem, the passion which he was having for cricket, he continued playing cricket. Even many people discouraged him. You cannot play cricket at any level because your main arm is weak. You cannot bowl, you cannot bat. But he kept everything aside and he continued pursuing cricket. He tried every kind of a bowling. Even he tried fast bowling also. But when he started delivering the spin bowling, he found that there is something special in him. Why? Because if you see the mechanism of spin bowling, the bowler delivers the ball with revolutions in the air, and with these revolutions, the ball drifts in the air, and after hitting the pitch, it gets deviated. And to create the revolutions, there comes a limit of the wrist, because the position of wrist, after a certain limit, the wrist doesn't bend and you cannot put revolutions beyond that. But here came the strength of Chandrasekhar. His arm was relatively weaker and his wrist was weaker, or rather soft, as compared to other bowlers. And because of that, he used to give more revolutions to the ball. Arun Lal, the Indian opener, he said in one interview that जब वो बॉल अपने हाथ से छोड़ते थे तो उससे घर घर की आवाज़ आती थी. इतना ज़्यादा बॉल में रेवोल्यूशन होता था कि घर की आवाज़ आती थी उनकी बॉल से. And after pitching the ball, it used to deviate like anything, and it was very difficult for any kind of a batsman to judge the line and length and then to hit the ball. And that is why during his career, he played 58 test matches and he took 242 wickets. And this is outstanding. 242 wickets in just 58 test matches. 16 5 wickets haul, 2 10 wickets haul, and that 1971 memorable victory of India in England, when India first time defeated England in England and won the series in the Oval Test. He played the pivotal role in that. He took 6 wickets on 36, and in 2002 Wisdon declared that bowling spell as the bowling spell of the century, one of the best bowling spell. And during his career, he earned many laurels. He was Wisdon Cricketer of the Year in 1972. He was Arjuna awardee. He was Padma Shri awardee, and his entire career was outstanding. Friends, problems do come in our life. If you bow down to the problems, then you will never realize that success is just few steps ahead of you. Chandrasekhar started his dream to play cricket for India, and if he might have started thinking that I have the weak arm and I cannot play cricket, then he would have never realized that how special bowler he could be. He was outstanding. And it happens in everybody's life. A problem is coming to you, you take the problem head on, defeat it and cross it. And the success is just another side of this problem. Friends, whatever kind of problem you are facing, never ever bow down to it. Just face the problem, defeat it, and then you will realize a champion is within you. A champion will evolve, will emerge out of you. We all have a champion in us. We just have to evolve it. And the difficulties and problems, they are the catalyst. They bring the champion out of you. Friends, remember this motivational life story of B.S. Chandrasekhar. I hope it will help you in dealing the problems in your life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected, keep watching our videos, stay motivated in your life, be successful. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.